Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an AI generated image, and this is not a programming video. There's no coding involved. I have just gotten a question several times about how I make these featured images and video thumbnails on YouTube, and I do that using an AI image generator. There's lots of AI image generators, but the one that I use is from Microsoft. So if you just Google AI image generator, it's this first result right here. I'll put the link to this into the description of the video so you can make AI images if you'd like to. Just click on create custom images, and then in this prompt, you're going to want to type the image that you want. So for example, I'll put create a cartoonish illustration of a bowl of fruit with a rabbit behind it. I'll click generate, and then it's going to give us a set of options, four options we can choose from. It'll generate four different pictures. And then if you don't like either any of those, you can just tweak your prompt and get a new set of four different pictures. I use this quite a bit. I haven't found any limitations on it. But as you can see, it generated four images here. If I wanted to download one, I would just click on it, click download. It's a pretty good size resolution. Um, but like I just said, create cartoonish, I can just tell it to create a realistic image as well. So you can even influence the style of the image. So we'll wait here. It will give us four realistic looking images. And it doesn't take too long. It's pretty quick for four separate images. So there we have it. There's four realistic looking images I could choose from. I'll be using this as the thumbnail for my video. And sorry about the background noise. My dog is going crazy with her chew toy. But yeah, this is how you make AI images. It's really simple with all the AI image generators that are out now. I'll probably make a future video about programmatically creating AI images with text prompts. I found some really good services, and there's actually another one that I like called Astica AI to describe images, but that'll be coming in future videos. I have lots more how-to videos coming up, so if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Still trying to grow an audience on here. I guess that's all. Thanks for watching.